Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Git, then GitHub Desktop, and finally Visual Studio Code if not present. Once done, open GitHub Desktop and sign in with your GitHub credentials. Make sure your repositories appear. Next, open Options or Preferences and enable the Open in Visual Studio Code action so the integration exists. Finally, select the repository you want to work on. This prepares both tools to communicate and avoids permission gaps later. You will now configure the integration and handle the complex middle steps. In GitHub Desktop, choose Repository right arrow open in Visual Studio Code or set VSCode as the default editor in Options. This writes the connector. Then, in VSCode, install the Git and GitHub extensions for commit, branch, and pull support. Make sure your Git executable is on path, and confirm SSH keys or the credential helper are configured so authentication is seamless. Once set, open the repo from desktop to test the full workflow. You will finish the setup and verify common actions to complete the task. Use Open in Visual Studio Code from GitHub Desktop to launch the repository workspace. Then stage, commit, and push changes using either VS Code or Desktop. Make sure branches and remotes reflect correctly, and test pull and merge operations. If something goes wrong, check SSH key permissions, path for the Git binary, credential helper settings, and that the GitHub and Git extensions are enabled. This one check usually resolves most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.